Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Like clockwork, Bitcoin has climbed steadily through the targets we've been discussing since the 90K dip, from 95,000 to 96,000, and now hitting our third upside target of $99,500 today. That's a solid 13% gain in just 2 days. In yesterday's video, I highlighted the incoming golden cross on the 1-hour time frame. That's when the 50 EMA in magenta crosses the 200 EMA in purple. Well, it happened today. If you'd simply traded that crossing, you'd be up 4.3% to the upside. Throughout this upward movement, Bitcoin's price action even took a brief pause, comfortably resting on the 21 EMA in blue. This positive momentum coincided perfectly with today's good news. Core inflation came in lower than expected. At 3.2% versus the anticipated 3.3%, the market responded with enthusiasm. Stock indices like SPX and NDQ both saw daily gains of 2%, and even gold added 1% to its value today. Now, looking at the liquidation heat map, today's setup is less straightforward than what we've seen recently. On the 3-day heat map, we see all short-term upper levels have been cleared, leaving only hot pockets on the long side below current prices. These popped up due to today's upward movement, but were open late. Specifically, there's a long leverage cluster at $95,200 and another at $93,300. While I highly doubt we'll revisit those levels anytime soon, it's always worth keeping them in mind. Switching to the 2-week heat map, the picture becomes clearer. Upper short leverage levels from $96,000 to $99,500 have all been fully cleared. Below us, there's little heat left, but above, we're seeing billions in short leverage just around the $100,000 level. Those will likely be taken or closed soon as we push further upward. Beyond that, we're looking at additional levels at $102,000, $103,000, and $105,000. I'll continue watching the charts closely and bring you these daily price action reports. As you've seen, these moves were predictable simply by monitoring the heat map, and I'm here to keep you updated every step of the way. If you find these short analysis videos helpful, please share them with your crypto friends. It really helps with the algorithm. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss your daily Bitcoin technical analysis. And see you in the next one.